Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make ricotta cheesecake. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh ricotta, eggs, sugar, and a hint of lemon zest. Make sure everything is at room temperature. This helps achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Next, prepare your springform pan by lining the bottom with parchment paper and lightly buttering the sides. This simple preparation ensures your cheesecake bakes beautifully and releases easily. Now, let's create that luscious filling. Start by beating your ricotta cheese until it's incredibly smooth with no lumps remaining. Then, slowly incorporate the sugar, 1/4 at a time, followed by the eggs, 1 at a time, and your chosen flavorings such as vanilla extract or lemon zest. Remember, mix just until combined. Overmixing can introduce too much air, leading to cracks and a less desirable texture. Baking is key to a perfect ricotta cheesecake. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your springform pan into a larger pan, then carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, creating a water bath. This gentle heat ensures even baking and helps prevent cracks. Bake until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Once baked, proper cooling is crucial. Turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for about 1 hour. This slow cooling prevents sudden temperature changes that can cause cracking. After that, remove it and let it cool completely on a wire rack before refrigerating for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. Serve your chilled cheesecake with fresh berries for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.